I just got a new MX500 and cloned it with the contents of my hard drive, and let me see what kind of performance improvement that I'm getting on my hard drive compared to my hard drive. So I'll start the computer and try to load my browser and see, and let's see how much time it'll take. Um, and I'm also setting up a chronograph while I do that. Okay. So the chronograph is running, and right now it is at 20-second mark, 25 actually. It takes a lot of time even after I log in to get to to actually start using the computer. So that's what I'll be testing right now. I will pause as soon as I get the lock screen. So I have resumed the chronograph. So it's nearing 1 minute 25 seconds. It looks like my desktop has loaded. Let me open up. So if you see, I do not see any of the icons here right now. In the taskbar, it's not yet ready, it's still loading up. Yeah, now these have loaded up. So I clicked on Mozilla Firefox for it to load. It's showing the timer icon right now. Quick check on the time. I think we are past 2 minutes. 2 minutes 15 seconds, and the Mozilla Firefox hasn't opened yet. That's incredible. 2.5 minutes. Oh, the Firefox is actually installing up. It's actually updating, so that's the reason I clicked on the Epic browser now. Okay, I just cannot bear this any longer. So more or less, oh, there you go. I'm stopping the chronograph. At least the window opened. So which shows us 3 minutes 5 seconds, and it's still not loaded up yet. Let's see after I switch out. Yeah, now the browser has come. So almost 3 minutes 10 seconds. What I'll do is I'll switch out the SSD, which is cloned exactly as my hard drive is right now. I did it last night to see how that will work. There I'm swapping out my hard drive with the SSD. So if you see, it has fit, without using the height raise thing. Um, Actually, the hard drive before came up to this edge right here. This is a little thinner than that, but what happened is um, the distance from the bottom to this has unchanged. Is unchanged, so I can just use it the way it is right now. It's not a problem. So basically, I have no clue if it works or not. I just cloned it, and this is the first time I'm trying it. So I'm gonna keep the chronograph here, and as soon as I hit the start button there. I'm going to turn this on. So what I'll do is I'll be a little bit biased, towards HDD. So I'm going to start the chronograph first. It started, and then I turn the button on as well. I hope it recognizes the SSD. We're almost at the lock screen. I actually did not stop the chronograph, it was running. Just wanted to show you how improved. It's already loaded up. Wow, look at that. Now I can stop this chronograph. Even the time that I entered my credentials, I didn't stop the chronograph at the time. This still managed to take 1.5 minutes, or even 1 minute probably. So that's the improvement that you see with the SSDs.